Hey, I'm Natalia, and today I'll show you how to create an analytics dashboard that gives the power to the user. Interactive apps allow for a two-way conversation between you and your results. Usually, a notebook is set to run a series of predetermined gestures. However, by toggling the inputs of an interactive app, your results become a reaction to your dynamic wishes. In other words, you say something, and the app says something back. You say something else, and the app says something else back. And the best part is, you can achieve all of this without ever leaving the comfort of your finished, polished dashboard. In this video, I'll cover how to edit a notebook, how to adjust the in-app interactivity of select blocks, and finally, toggle the inputs to produce results based on your every whim. Alright, let's demonstrate these techniques on an extremely meaningful use case: a caffeinated beverage intake calculator. This published notebook uses a dataset containing caffeine and nutrition information for over 600 caffeinated beverages. When functioning as it should, this calculator should allow caffeine fiends to calculate exactly how many caffeinated beverages they can safely guzzle in a single 24-hour period. Currently, the notebook is set to calculate the number of Pepsis that a 125-pound 18-year-old can safely consume in a day. Now, on the off chance that this age, weight, and choice beverage happens to fit your needs, then you're in luck, and maybe I should further explore my prophetic prowess. However, in its current state, this calculator is of very little use to the general public, since it's tied to a very specific weight, age, and beverage. Ultimately, I want to publish this calculator for public use and allow the user to enter their own age, weight, and beverage of choice. So let's return to the app mission control. From here, we can edit the notebook. Here's the extensive pipeline that carries out the caffeine calculations. First, let's locate the block with the age and weight inputs. As you can see, the block contains hard-coded inputs. However, I want these two input boxes to appear as editable on the finished dashboard. So let's adjust the in-app interactivity of our block inputs. To do this, we use this little gear icon. By checking this box, the input becomes interactive and is free to be updated once the app is run. In this case, I want to prompt both the age and weight inputs. Next, let's find the block that determines the caffeinated drink type. Right now, the notebook is hard-coded to search for Pepsi. By toggling the interactive gears, we allow the user to enter their own beverage of choice. Now, let's publish these changes to check out our newfound calculating power. And as you can see, this app has now been flagged as interactive. Finally, the app awaits our wishes. So let's toggle our inputs to fit our custom calculation. For this example, I'll calculate the recommended caffeine consumption for a 20-year-old who weighs 130 pounds. For the beverage type, let's calculate how many Bang energy drinks this 20-year-old can consume based on their calculated caffeine intake. And voila! Our caffeinated individual is cut off at exactly 1.12 Bang energy drinks.